Yo, what's up, YouTube fam? I'm back. Sunday, man. Sunday morning. I did a video this morning putting injectors on my car. That video is on the way. Now I'm heading to Columbia, South Carolina. As y'all know, I'm in Georgia, and I got a 2-hour ride. So what I'm about to go do is I'm about to go get rid of my front bumper and my hood for another front bumper and hood. Kind of what I wanted, kind of what I was looking for. I just got to get it painted and everything. So when I get here, I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. Then we gonna get back to the house. Well, we gonna come back. I gotta do a photo shoot. Then we gonna get back to the house. If it ain't dark, we gonna get everything put on, and we gonna see how this thing gonna turn out, man. I got some plans for this car, but for the meantime, got that back there just scrattling on. You know what I'm saying? I hope it don't fly off. I got some scraps running through it every which way. But this wind is undefeated, man. You get that wind up under stuff, it'll rip something up. So I'll be back in 2 hours. All right, we back home. It's a few days later. It's Wednesday right now. We got the hood and bumper on Sunday. And my thoughts of the Savini versus the True Fiber hood. I had the True Fiber 3-inch. This is Savini 4-inch. From what I experienced, the Savini is heavier than the True Fiber. But the True Fiber and the Savini, they both, you know what I'm saying, feel like the same hood. It ain't too much different. The 13 to 14 swap for the front. Do not just get the bumper if you think you just about to put the bumper on. It's not gonna work. You gotta have the grill surround. You gotta have the bottom molding. You gotta have the closure panel for the top, because everything is different. I gotta do some trimming on my headlights to make them fit so the closure panel can go on. The grill surround, I got to have it because he got the grill. The guy I got the bumper from had the grill. He had the GT500 grill, but he had it screwed in, so that's kind of screwed up. So now I got to get that grill surround so that be perfect fit and not no janky shit. The molding for the bottom, he didn't have it all. I got to get a front splitter. So it's a easy swap, but you got to have a lot of parts. So everything's online. It's a couple $100, nothing serious. That'd be my next step, getting that. Then I gotta get a fog light for the Rouse front fascia. But I'm finna show y'all how everything look, and we're gonna wrap this video up, man. They're gonna be it. I just got back from the store, cause I had to get some bolts for the Savini hood. But as you can see, don't mind the new edge in the back. But as you can see, that look pretty good. 4-inch, matte black, and need painting. And here go the bumper. Regular 13 to 14 bumper with the Rouse fog lights, GT500 grill, which is right there. So, wait. Which is right there. So that's gonna be pretty dope. I'm gonna do the upper and lower GT500 grill. I get another fog light. I might just take them out. I ain't really tripping on no fog light, but look at that. I got this car sitting on fucking wood. It's crazy, man. That car gonna take a lot of work. So you can see, Savini. I can't lie, this is actually a heavy fucking hood. Versus the True Fiber, I guess because it's fiberglass. It even sound heavy when you slam it. All right, so we wrapping up another video. Please subscribe, like, comment. If you got any questions about the 13 to 14 front end swap, let me know, and I'll be able to help you as far as I can. You know, I got the bumper right there on the ground, got the hood on, and for the most part, man, I'm out. I got a lot of stuff coming, so stay in tune, stay locked in, and we out, Mustang gang.